So we're getting ready to head out on our bike riding adventure with all of our kids in tow in the bike trailers. What do you think? You ready to go ride?
Yes.
We're going to the Enterprise Nature Park. Just went through Kelly and my bike, make sure they're set up, fully ready to go. The bike trailers are already in the car, and the boys are finishing getting up their shoes and socks on. We're just filling up our water bottles, and then we are ready to go. You pedaling hard? You pedal the other way and help me out a little bit?
Look at me. I'm doing it. I'm biking right without. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're wouldn't be the same without you.
You going straight?
We have yet so many stupid Daddy and Jackson, come up back. Hey, Jackson. Dad, how do you feel? Mommy, how do you feel? We're almost to the hidden lake. Mommy, how do you really feel when you get to the hidden lake?
I think it'll be nice to take a break, get some water.
I'm totally helping Daddy hold the home.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Is John sleeping?
Yes.
Is he sleeping? Is he taking a good nap? No, he's not asleep. I think he is.
Man, this is beautiful up here. Beautiful out here in the middle of nowhere.
It is.
You don't have any more speed?
No, I ran out of gas.
You ran out of gas?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's okay because you can just sit there. You don't have to pedal.
Maybe I have to get new gas. So pedal.
Yeah.
Is that just
You ran out of gas.
Yeah. Mommy, can
Hi,
you
Kelly.
stop pedaling?
Kelly, we're gonna go down there.
You want to go fill Jackson's gas tank up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop pedaling yet, Daddy.
Good job. Thanks for sharing the gas, huh?
Daddy, I shared my gas.
You guys need some water?
Yep. I need water. We're
supposed to turn that way?
We'll see, otherwise we gotta ride uphill. You can, it just goes slower because you're helping. You're pushing everybody. You're pushing the whole train. All by yourself. Big, strong peddler.
I have big bones in my arms. And I can pull everything like a train.
Jackson, now if you pedal forward, you really help Daddy go up the hills.
Look at me, I'm
job.
doing it.
You're helping me. You're a big helper.
Then we're in a bike train.
How many cars are on our bike train, Jackson? 2?
How many's on Mommy's bike train?
1.
So Mommy and Daddy are the engines.
And I'm a caboose.
We gotta turn around and go back to the map. Nope, we gotta go back up the hill. We're at the end of the trail. That's the end right there, Kelly. Hey guys, so we just finished our ride and now here we are at the little bike track for the boys and let them race around on their bikes. See if we can chase them down. You're doing it, you're getting over the hills. Just calm down.
We're coming.
We're coming to get you, aren't we?
We're coming to get you.
Why did you crash? Did you look the wrong way?
No! I was looking straight ahead and somehow I got onto the curb and I crashed.
Okay. Yeah, but what happens when you crash? You get back on your bike? You get back on and keep riding?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I know it hurts.
now I will get my speed. No, I won't get my speed.
Are you ready?
Push me.
Alright.
I'm ready to push.
You gotta, wherever you look is where you're gonna ride. Come on. You can do it.
Okay.
Pedal hard. Pedal hard and look ahead. You're doing good. You're catching them. Y'all too. So we just finished letting the boys race around the little bike track. It was a blast. Met a bunch of cool people at homeschool and looking forward to doing that on the road.